Guys, welcome back once again. It's about Chimais. In today's video I'm going to show you um another way we can make money, another way we can claim coin for free. We are going to claim this coin for free right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this app. Look at this app. That's where we are going to be claiming the coin for free. We're going to be claiming Luna coin for free. You can see it right here. Just go to Play Store and search for this app and download it. So I'm just going to open it and quickly show you how we are going to do it right here. So let me wait for it to load. Let me wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Guys, what I'm doing in this channel is good for you and you have been benefiting from it. Please do wait to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop update like this, you can be the first, to jump into it and start making money for yourself. Created my account, I need to create my account first. So I'm going to search. Okay. Let me write my name. Write my name here. I click on continue. I enter my email. Let me wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, email verification required. So I'm going to go to my email and verifying my account first. So let me wait for it to load. I want to refresh. Okay, so let me click on it and click on activate now. Click on activate now. Wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, my account has been activated. I'm going to go back and sign in. So I'm going to enter my password. So I'm going to sign in right here. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to enable it, activate now. OTP has been sent. Let me go search for it. Okay, let me copy it and then okay, as you can see, we're using USDT. That's what we're using. I'm going to click on select and okay, this is one-time password. Okay, as you can see, they are saying get 10,000 Luna coin for free. So I'm going to click on get started. Okay, as you can see, what I have here is $9.47 $9.47. You can see it right here. Instantly, you can see the coin. You can see they gave me this coin and this other one. You can see it. You can see it right here. This is actually for free for every user. If you register, you are going to get the same amount of this coin right here in your wallet. So if you can also send it out. If you want to send it out like this Luna coin, you can see what they are saying. For security reasons, this feature is temporarily locked and will automatically open it after 23 hours. That is 23 hours, 58 minutes. You can see it right here. So they are going to unlock this thing. Let's just say tomorrow. Let's just call it tomorrow. By tomorrow, they are going to unlock it. So you guys should claim this coin right now, so that when they unlock it, you can be able to send your money out from here. So thanks guys. If what I'm doing in this channel is good to you, don't forget to subscribe, because all this kind of video will be coming every day and every time. Stay safe. Do well to subscribe.